Hello everybody, this is paper 1 from May 2023. This is time zone 2. Okay, question number 5. The following frequency distribution table shows the test grades for a group of students. So here we have the grade and then the number of people that were awarded that grade. For this distribution, the mean grade is 4.5. So this is the average grade of all these students is 4.5. Write down the total number of students in terms of P. So not a bad question itself, but you need to know what it's asking. So total number of students. So these are all the students that took part. We know that 1 student got a grade of 1, 4 students got a grade of 2, 7 students got a grade of 3, 9 got a grade of 4, and so on. And then this is the total if we add it all up. And we don't know all of the values because we don't know P, so we therefore would write this in terms of P. So our total number of students is going to be equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus P plus 9 plus 4, which if we were to add that up, I'm actually just going to use my calculator here. 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 4 is just going to be 34 plus P. So we add up all the numerical values, and P is not something we can really integrate with all the numerical values. So we have 34 students plus this unknown value of P, and that would give us our total number of students. So total number of students in terms of P is just 34 plus some unknown value of students that got a score of 5. Here they ask us to calculate the value of P. So the value of P, and in this case we're going to look for an equation. They told us earlier that the mean grade was 4.5. The question is, how can we create an equation to incorporate that and then solve for P? So let's go ahead and see if we can work that out. So what do we know? The mean itself is equal to the sum of all values over the total number of values. In this case, the total number of students. So we know the mean. We know the mean itself is equal to 4.5. Let's say the average grade is 4.5. And the sum of all values. So if we add up everyone's grades and then divide by the total number of students, we'll be able to find the average grade in the class. So we know that one person got a grade of 1, 2 people got a grade of 4, 3 people, I'm sorry, let me go back. So we know that, let's go this way. 1 person got a grade of 1, 4 people got a grade of 2, 7 people got a grade of 3, 9 people got a grade of 4, P people, some unknown value, got a grade of 5, 9 people got a grade of 6, and 4 people got a grade of 7. So that looks about right. And the total number of students that took part was what we were asked to solve at the very beginning. This is 34 students plus some other number of students. So the total number of students is given by 34 plus P, some unknown. And now we've got an equation where we just have one unknown right here in the top and the bottom, in the numerator and denominator. And so what we can do is we can end solve this. End solve for P. Okay, so kind of lengthy here, but let's go ahead and work this out. Let's go back to the document, just clear this. All right, so let's go into menu, algebra, numerical solve. 4.5, that's our mean, is equal to, we're going to need to set up a fraction. Might not be a bad idea to actually work out the numerical values first and then add it later. Just because there's so much to type in, I'd be cautious about double checking as well, making sure that everything is okay. And we'll put P here. plus 9 students who received a grade of 6 plus 4 students who received a grade of 7. All right, and then we have at the bottom 34 students, total number of students, which is represented by 34 plus p. Ask the calculator to solve for p. All right, function is not defined. Let's see what went wrong. Plus 5 times p. Okay. Let's see, sometimes this is due to the multiplication and brackets right here. There we are. So just be mindful. Okay, so p is equal to 10. What that tells us, there were 10 students that got a grade of 5. So let's go back to the document. Calculate the value of p. P is equal to 10. And what's good about that, and what should be reassuring, is first off, it's not a fractional value. So it's not like 10.5 students. And second of all, it looks to be within the range of these other. It's not like 46 or something like that. So that should be pretty reassuring as well.